Excellencies, dear friends, what an incredible honor to be here with you after the extraordinary win of Tadeja Pogačarja of Tour de France yesterday. Obviously, we're all here happy to celebrate the development of the Tour, the last Tour. But no champion can win alone. And in that regard, I would really like to express my deepest recognition first to the head of the team of the United Emirates team, Andreju Hauptmanu, but also to the fellow colleagues, cyclists, Primožu, Mateju, also Luka, who is, I believe, not present. I think that after having the inspiration in Primožu, many things were much easier for Tadeja. And for that, all of our nation is deeply grateful to Primožu, to open the doors, to let unspeakable things happen, but unspeakable in terms of good things happen. And whenever there is a discussion who is better, we all know who was the first one. And that's really what counts. I deeply respect it. Having had said that, I believe none of this is happening by coincidence. Slovenia is a small nation, but we are very proud to say that we are a sports nation. Sports not by coincidence, by a deliberate decision. Decision when we invest in our youth, but where we also invest in our public infrastructure. Most of our sports infrastructure is being financed either through local communities or the government. And I believe that's really what makes it accessible to each and everyone in Slovenia to start dreaming about being successful, to start really making sports a part of their day life, but also something which makes young people encounter the right values. The various values of sportsmanship, of fair play, of solidarity and cooperation. And even though cyclism seems like an individual sport, I truly believe it's not. And this is really what happened in Slovenia, where the cyclism became a national sport by decision. And I believe it will stay like that. The other thing which we are very proud of, apart from the natural beauty of our country, is that we are able and proud organizers of the events at the highest international level, both in individual and team sports, from World Championships to Olympic Youth Games. And having that in mind, we also dare to dream that the Grand Depart of 29 is going to happen in Slovenia. And that is what the bid that I submitted yesterday to the organizers said exactly that. We want to have Grand Depart of 29 to start in Slovenia. It would be an homage to all our champions of today, but also a big inspiration for the future champions of Slovenia. I'm pretty sure that I will be able to host you at that occasion. And if not me, we just heard from the ambassador that whenever she comes, our champions win. So we will take care that Renata will be in Slovenia in 29 at home. Even if just for a week. Anyway, really glad to be here. Wishing you all to have a good time, and let's build even stronger ties for the future and for the better world. Thank you.